Hey everyone, Tyson the Subaru Specialist from Subaru Prince George here. Different format of video today. I'm in director's view. Now, what we're looking at is my personal 2012 Outback. I get asked all the time by my customers, what do you drive? Well, I drive a 2012 Subaru Outback. And the purpose of today's video is I wanted to bring all of you, all of my viewers along for something very, very special. Today is the day that I hit 400,000 kilometers, something like 250,000 miles on my 2012 Outback on the original engine and transmission. So I thought that was kind of special. I wanted to bring you guys along for it. So let's get in the car, let's get driving, let's hit 400,000 kilometers together. So here we are. And the reason I'm doing this is I get asked by lots and lots of customers, how long do Subarus last? And while it's anecdotal evidence, and of course your mileage is gonna vary, I mean, I'm about to hit 400,000 kilometers on the original engine and transmission. So I just hit 399,999 kilometers on it. So sorry for the format. It is hard. I've got the camera set up on a stick, but I've got, fuel light just came on too. Fitting. Got to fill up at 400,000 kilometers. I'll do that. And, I think I'm off by 0.1 on my trip A. So when I hit 0.9, I think it's going to change over to 400,000, which I think is kind of cool. My goal is to try to hit 500,000 kilometers with it. So we'll see if there's any other major repairs along. And thank you all for joining me for the ride. So we're getting there. And I mean, of course, I'm driving down a strip on town. So we're not going 100K an hour or anything like that. Appreciate you if you've stuck with me for this long. So we're 201.8 on 9, 400,000. There we go. So here I am back at the dealership. I hit 400,000 kilometers. I'm actually at 402 now after the drive back. But I'd ordered this Subaru badge of ownership about 3 months ago. So sorry for the close-up there. 3 months ago with anticipation that Christmas shipping would take longer. And it's kind of fortuitous. This showed up yesterday. So I'll put the link to the Canadian badge of ownership in the video description. But you can get these little badges like this. And this is my second Subaru. And you can order these. These are completely free. You just have to supply your VIN. I've already cleaned it off prior to starting this video. It's 3M'd. It's on there. So first 100,000, second 100,000, third 100,000, 400,000 on my second Subaru. So I just wanted to bring you guys along for the ride. This is pretty special to me. Like I mentioned earlier, I am going to try to hit 500,000 kilometers on my Outback. We'll see how that goes. Again, no major repairs, maintenance stuff. You know, I've done struts, brakes, that sort of stuff. But I am Tyson the Subaru Specialist from Subaru Prince George. Thank you for joining me on my journey and hitting 400,000 kilometers on my 2012 Outback. Thank you for watching. We'll talk soon.